Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's complete walkthrough, I'm going to show you how to massively improve your Facebook ads results in 2026. The raw, real strategies that actually work for beginners and pros alike. By the end of this video, you will understand how to structure campaigns, target your audience, and optimize for maximum ROI. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Set up your Facebook Ad Manager properly. Before running ads, make sure your account is ready. Go to Meta Ads Manager, ensure your account is verified, add a parent method, link your Facebook page to an Instagram account if relevant. Pro tip, make sure Metapixel is installed on your website for conversion tracking. Now, next, define your goal and campaign objective. In 2026, goal clarity is more important than ever. Choose objectives based on what you want. Awareness, brand reach, video views, consideration, traffic, engagement, lead generation, conversion, sales, purchases, add to cart. Pro tip for beginners, start with conversions if you have product, or lead generation if you're building an audience. Okay, so let's go ahead and create an ad. So hit here more, create an ad. Okay, and as you can see right here, my account is disabled, but if your account is not, let me switch to another page to do the same thing. Okay, as you can see, my account is disabled here. So even if I went here, yeah, so narrow down your audience. Facebook ad targeting has evolved. To 10x your results, go to ad set, right? Ad set and then audience. Okay, and use a combination of like core audience, location, age, interest, custom audiences, website visitors, email lists, lookalike audiences, high performing segments. We talked about this in detail in previous videos, so make sure to check that out in order to see what's inside. Okay, pro tip, test smaller, specific audiences rather than broad ones. It's easier to optimize and scale. Step 4, choose ad placements smartly. Automatic placements are okay, but for better results, feed placements perform best on mobile. Stories and Reels get high engagement in 2026. Avoid placement with low quality traffic, like some in-stream videos. Always test placements individually for your niche. Step 5, craft winning ad creative. Your ad creative makes or breaks your campaign. The key point should be hook in the first 3 seconds. Use short attention grabbing text. Include a clear CTA or call to action. Use high quality images or AI generated videos. Keep branding subtle but visible. Okay. Pro tip in 2026, AI generated content works surprisingly well for testing multiple creatives fast. Step 6, set the right budget in bidding strategy. Facebook ads has smart budgeting. Start with $5 to $20 per day per ad set for testing. Use lowest cost bid strategy for new campaigns. For scaling, test cost cap for predictable results. So pro tip, let ads run for at least 24 to 48 hours before judging performance. Don't kill a campaign too early. And install Metapixel in Conversion API. Install Metapixel on your website. Optional. Use Conversion API for more accurate tracking in 2026. Verify event, page view, add to cart, purchase. Okay. Without accurate data, Facebook can't optimize effectively. 10x results come from testing and refining. Test 3 to 5 different creatives per ad set. Test different audiences. Compare CTA buttons. Shop now versus learn more. Use A/B testing to see what works best. Pro tip, focus on click-through rate or CTR in conversion rate metrics. And scale the winning ads. Once you identify winners, duplicate high-performing ad sets. Gradually increase budget by 20 to 30% every 2 to 3 days. Keep monitoring frequency to avoid ad fatigue. Pro tip in 2026, Facebook's AI optimization prefers stable data. Don't constantly pause or charge ads. Okay. Here's an advanced tips for maximum ROI. Use retargeting funnels. People who visited your site but didn't convert. People who engaged with your ad but didn't click. Use lookalike audiences. Create from your highest value customers. Leverage AI copywriting tools. Generate 5 to 10 ad variations quickly. Test multiple hooks and angles. Focus on mobile first creatives. Vertical videos, 3 to 15 seconds for reels. Avoid broad targeting, weak CTA, ignoring pixel and CAPI or CAPI, right? Killing ads too early or using long videos. So set up your meta ads manager in Pixel, define your goal and audiences, create 3 to 5 creatives per campaign, test ads for 24 to 48 hours, optimize winners, retarget website visitors, scale gradually. Repeat this process and your ROI will improve over time. So getting 10x better results with Facebook ads in 2026 is not about throwing more money. It's about clarity, testing optimization, and using AI powered tools smartly. Focus on tight targeting, engaging creatives, data driven decisions, iterative scaling. So don't forget to share this video, subscribe. Until next time, see you.